Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Jasmy video update for Monday 28th of March. And today's update is actually kind of important for Jasmy. And I'm still positive on Jasmy. I'm not going to say that Jasmy is looking really bad. What I'm going to say though is that Jasmy never lost support. Yesterday I did see what Jasmy did, and I know when I actually gave you the update for Jasmy. And today I'm going to tell you one thing that was very cool. Number one, you did not lose the low of the three white soldier. Very positive, really positive. I mean, this still is bullish. It's still bullish, and I'm going to give you all the reasons why I say this is bullish, and which may lead you to even buy this course that I'm teaching you, all of so many students right now. And if you want to get it for $29, it's normally $49, so you can pay with crypto to get it for $29, $20 off. All you have to do is come join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video. Come to the announcement tabs, click on my name, and you can message me, and I'm going to tell you what to do. All right, first of all, I do see, if I go to Google right here, I'm gonna say a dragonfly candlestick pattern. Okay, so when you see a dragonfly, that's actually a reversal candlestick that tells you you're about to go bananas again to the upside. And I'm gonna give you all the logical explanation as I can, guys. Don't never take these videos as financial advices, okay, but just chart reading. So what did you put here when you see a dragonfly like this? Oh, my mom, damn, grandma, we're about to get huge. And now if today you go back here to 0.0393, you're putting in a nice good morning star potentially out there. And I'm going to show you a morning star. So dragonfly, I showed you. Actually, what is a dragonfly, by the way? Do you see a dragonfly like this in real life? This is how a dragonfly looks like, right? So this dragonfly right over here, something like this. You have the head, the tail, and a small body on the upper body. Okay, so it really matches this candlestick right there. That's the reason why it's known as dragonfly, because it does look like a dragonfly. So the next one is gonna be the morning star candlestick. Okay, so this is the morning star candlestick that I want to show you right over here. And you can see when the first candle closes red, and then you have like some sort of a doji, and then this is a green candle. Now even dragonfly is a doji, but this kind of doji, the way it looks, is known as dragonfly. So if today you start to pump all the way up here to the 0.0394, what are you putting in? Morning star. And what does happen in a morning star? When you put it, you go to the upside. Understand that? You go to the upside. Okay, yesterday I talked about a hidden bullish divergence, where you have higher lows, and on the RSI you have lower lows. It's not invalidated just yet. It's not invalidated. All you did is made a wick to the downside, and you came back very quickly. Where did you close? You still close above the trend line. But if you actually go into the lower time frames, it actually seems as if you lost the trend line, but you never lost the trend line. Look, it was a fake out to the upside on the daily. Now what I'm going to say, why did you actually go to the downside, if you wonder what happened? I actually forgot to mention this, but I noticed later that there was a bear flag actually. So what you did is, this bear flag was actually there. Something that I forgot to mention, or just didn't notice, is you took the top to the bottom, and this is where the bear flag played out. So look, technical analysis, it works all the time. Don't believe me? Let's go back again here, and let's write in the bear flag. And I'm going to show you how bear flag looks like. So this is how they look like. When you go down like this and you start to retrace to the upside, and then you break down, that's a bear flag. And this is how it matches up on the charts as well. Go down like this, come up, bear flag, boom, go to the downside. So it was simple trade, but we're still holding this trend line. As I said yesterday, it's still back up here. And look, you actually made a morning star right there. Do you see that? On the 4-hour time frame, you do have a morning star, which I just showed you. And one more thing that I've been talking about, even though it was for SLP, this is the short-term trades. And yeah, the next target still remains this one, 0.0661. But what I want to say is, I want to dive into a higher time frame, and let's talk about the overview and the bird's view and the psychology of a market. So you're a bird here, and you want to look what is happening down there. So there's this image that I want to actually give you, and it says a psychology of a market cycle. You're going to have disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria. So Jasmy, in maybe the previous exchanges that we had, this is on Binance. If you look at the previous exchanges like Qcoin, there's even way more big data, I think. Yeah, this is where that euphoria sort of thing was happening right up above here. And people are so excited over there. And what happened? You start to go down. You start to go down for complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger, then depression and disbelief. Now, to me personally, I think that Jasmy is in a disbelief phase right now, where people are not believing that Jasmy is gonna move to the upside. So this was your, like, let's say, if I bring this like this, potentially this was like your anger phase, the depression phase here, and this is your disbelief, where you're not believing it's gonna go up. To me, guys, maybe Jasmine is trying to even form something known as a pennant. So I'm gonna tell you what a pennant looks like, or maybe perhaps make an ascending triangle like this. I'm gonna show you that. Boom, boom, and something like that. Maybe you're just putting an ascending triangle. And when you see an ascending triangle, this is known as a continuation pattern to the upside. That means how much you came up is how much you're going to continue. So from here to here, and you can continue all the way. If you break out and make that continue, it's not confirmed, but if you do so, which I expect it's going to happen, then you're looking to go to the 0.188, and that's a whooping trade, guys. Whooping trade from this place to that place, 395%. And it's possible in crypto. 300-400% are absolutely possible. Now let's talk about that one as well. I want to teach you as much as I can in this one video. Continuation pattern. I'm really bad at the spelling, guys. Pattern, yeah, here in technical analysis, ascending triangle. Okay, so this is like triangle here. Yep, let's search for this one. Very good. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want you to understand. So you have flat upper trend line, ascending lower trend line. So this is what you can be putting in, where you go up like this, get coiled up, boom, 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 and then by nearly 9th of April, you can see the apex is going to be by 10th of April. You break out like this and you continue to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. Something like this can play out. It's still not confirmed at this point of time. But if you're going to try to put in a continuation pattern like that, then you're going to see Jasmy absolutely taking off to the skies. And that's it for this update. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you want to learn more about trading, this is your technical analysis course. You know how to get it for 29 bucks. Just come to the Discord, join the Discord, and message me, and I'm going to actually tell you how to continue from there. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.